What do you have to say about this enthusiasm and joy that people are showing everywhere you go? Why do you think it's responsible?
Well, because they want change. They want a new Nigeria that is possible. And that's what we are committed to. We want to build a society where public money must be used for public good. We want to build a society where public money must be used for public good. Where there will be primary health care, where there will be schools for our children, where we put people out of poverty. This energy our people are showing, I want to turn it to productive energy. This energy is production. And I want to turn it into production. And we're going to do, we want to study with AMAC election, where we have somebody who will ensure that schools will never be closed, where primary health care will be worked on, where there will be genuine support of businesses within AMAC and other local governments of Abuja.
Now that this hope is very high, how are we sure that when you get there, what are you going to do at least from your first days in office?
I can assure you that Nigerians will start seeing the difference from day one.
Our first day in office, I will declare emergency in education and in health, because in AMAC, children are sitting on the floor 40 years after I finished primary school here in AMAC. The quality of people have been reduced because the value of education is completely zero. What you see in Anambra today, when Mr. Peter Obi was governor, he raised the value of education from number 27 to number 1 in the country. That value that he contributed into human capital development in education is what I want to replicate in the center of the country. This is one of the things that I can assure you will happen when we get here.
Open the door, please.
Hey, no. Okay. No,